Roman gladiator games were ancient spectacles of bloodshed and bravery. These games were a blend of sport and spectacle. They were held in huge arenas, the most famous being the Colosseum. Gladiators were often slaves, criminals, or prisoners of war. Some volunteered for fame and fortune. Their training was rigorous, overseen by professional instructors called lanisti. Gladiators followed strict training regimes to hone their combat skills. They were trained in various weapons and fighting styles. Different classes of gladiators specialized in unique weaponry. Popular classes included the Murmillo, Thracian, and Retiarius. Each class had distinctive armor and combat techniques. The arena floor was a fierce battleground. Fights were usually to the death, thrilling Roman citizens. Crowds packed the arenas to witness these fierce contests. The emperor's thumb decided a gladiator's fate after each match. Winning gladiators received fame, riches, and sometimes freedom. The games served political purposes, appeasing and entertaining the masses. Lavish games demonstrated an emperor's wealth and power. Despite the brutality, gladiators were celebrated figures. They were popularized in art, literature, and mosaic. Gladiator fights were symbolic of Roman power and discipline. Many legends and myths surrounded the bravest gladiators. The games reflected Roman society's values of honor and courage. Animals also played a role, often in staged hunts or executions. The Colosseum could be flooded to stage naval battles. These games continued to evolve throughout the Roman Empire. Eventually, due to changing societal values, they declined. By the late Roman Empire, gladiator games ceased altogether. The Colosseum remains a symbol of this violent era. Today, it stands as a monument to Rome's historical grandeur. It provides a window into the ancient world of blood and honor. Roman gladiator games remain fascinating in modern history.